Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to do a few different kinds of lip scrub. They're really simple, really easy, and all you need are probably 2 to 3 ingredients. So this video here is a part 2 of my previous DIY video which I did. That is a DIY exfoliating face scrub video. If you haven't watched it already, I'll just leave it on the screen somewhere right here for you to click on to watch. This will be a part 2 of that video. If you like to know and learn how to do this DIY lip scrub, then please keep watching. The first scrub we'll be making would be a honey lip scrub. All you need is honey, sugar, and a nice bowl. So you just need 1 tablespoon of honey here, and this is great for moisturizing those chapped lips, and guess what? It also tastes really sweet. So honey here is antibacterial and it helps prevent infection from developing in cracked lips. It is also a natural humectant, which means that it's really moisturizing and hydrates your dry lips to restore lost moisture, especially during these cold months. You would also need a tablespoon of brown sugar. You can also feel free to use white sugar, but I'm just using brown sugar here. And that is excellent as an exfoliant to get rid of that dry, dead skin, which allows the renewed lip skin to glow. So the next scrub is perfect for all you coffee lovers. So all you need is 1 tablespoon of coffee grounds and 1 tablespoon of honey. So coffee ground here is used as an exfoliant, and the caffeine found in coffee scrubs typically increase blood flow, giving you that lively looking lips. Caffeine is also loaded up with a bunch of antioxidants, making it the perfect scrub for those of you who love coffee. On to our last scrub. This is a lemonade lip scrub. All you need is a teaspoon of Vaseline. It tends to stick on a spoon, so you might need another spoon to push it into the mixing bowl. Then you'll need a tablespoon of brown sugar and a tablespoon of lemon juice. So this scrub is perfect scrub for those of you wanting to brighten your lips and giving it that nice pinkish color. So lemon, as you know, is an excellent bleaching agent, and the citric acid in lemon juice helps to lighten the dark shade of lips, in turn making your lips look nice and pink. The Vaseline here acts as a great moisturizer after exfoliating your lips, which does tend to dry out your skin a little, so always remember to moisturize after exfoliating any part of your body. So you want to give that a nice mix and you're done. So these are the 3 super simple and easy to do lip scrubs that you can make in your very own kitchen that gently exfoliates your lips, at the same time moisturizing it and brightening it. So just grab your favorite lip scrub and scrub away. So this lip scrub I'm using is the honey lip scrub. As you can tell, it tastes really good from the way I'm looking it off. But yeah, you want to wash that off to reveal that beautiful, glowy, smooth skin. Don't forget to always hydrate your lips as well. Alrighty, so that is the DIY lip scrub video. If you guys found this super useful and helpful, please do give it a thumbs up. Also, let me know down in the comments what kind of DIY videos you'd like to see, because I need some ideas. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below or at the end of the video. And if you'd like to watch some more videos of mine, stay tuned to the end. I'll have 2 videos popping up right here. So apart from that, I have nothing else to say except thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.